In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable and turn off the filter keys on your Toshiba desktop, tablet, or laptop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select on the left panel where it says accessibility, and then on the right side, scroll down underneath interaction and select keyboard. Where it says filter keys, click inside the oval until it's toggled to the off position, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope those will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.